What is up guys, this is Shivain and in this video I will tell you guys how you can fix your problem that your microphone is not working properly on Windows 10. So before I begin with the video, I would just like to take a few minutes to say that if you encounter any software related problems, then just come to our channel and comment it down below or email us and we will make a solution video for you guys. Now let's begin with the video. So first thing that you can do in order to solve this microphone not working problem is first go to your Windows search and then go to settings, and in settings you search microphone privacy settings. Now once you open up the microphone privacy settings, just ensure that the microphone access for this device is turned on, and also ensure that all apps are allowed to access your microphone. So make sure that everything is turned on this page, and when you scroll down also make sure, and this is very important, that you have enabled access to your microphone for all desktop apps. After you have done this, then check whether your microphone is working or not. The next thing we'll do in order to solve this microphone problem is go to settings and then go to sound settings. After we open up the sound settings, just ensure that your output and your input device are both correct. That means your output device is your speaker and your input device is your microphone. After you have ensured that, then just click the sound control panel in the right hand corner and then your sound control panel should open. After that, go to the recordings tab and make sure that your mic is set as default on this page. Now, if your mic is not displayed on this page, try right clicking and then enable show disabled devices and show disconnected devices on this page. And even if that doesn't work and your mic is still not displayed on this recording page, then just comment it down below and I will make a separate video for you guys who have this problem in the sound control panel. Now, once you have selected the correct mic, just right click on it and then go to its properties. After you go to its properties, in general, make sure that use this device, that is enable, is turned on, and then in the listen tab, make sure that the playback through this device is the default playback device. And then the power management is set to continue running on the battery power. Moreover, you can check your device on this tab. So just check the listen to this device checkbox and see if you can hear a feedback on your speakers. If you're not able to listen anything on your speakers, that means there is still a problem existing on your microphone. The next thing we'll do is go to levels, and then here you can set your microphone volume. So make sure that it is set to a right volume and it is not set to 0. Also, you can ensure that your microphone volumes is boosted. So you can also set this to 100 and check whether that fixes the problem. But I'm going to set it to a normal level because it is working fine for me. And then finally in the advanced setting, make sure that your default format is set to this. And then in the exclusive mode, make sure that you allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and give exclusive mode applications priority. Also, in signal enhancements, make sure that you have enabled audio enhancements and then click apply and OK, and then restart your PC. If this doesn't solve the problem, then what you can do is go to advanced tab again and then just uncheck enable audio enhancements and then restart your PC again and check whether that fixes your problem. If that doesn't work, then I recommend that you click on the restore defaults button in the advanced tab and restore your microphone settings to default and see if that fixes the problem. Now, if none of this fixes your problem, then the next thing we'll do is tweak the playback settings. So just close this tab and then go to the playback tab and then make sure that your correct speaker is selected. After you have selected the correct speaker, then just right click on it and then go to its properties. In properties, again in the journal tab, make sure your device usage is use this device, that is enable, and then in levels, make sure that it is set to a decent volume. And then in advanced, do the same thing that we did with the microphone settings. And then finally in the spatial sound tab, make sure that you have selected off as the option. Now just close this tab and then go to your sound control panel again and then go to communications, and then make sure that in the communication settings you have set when Windows detects communications activity, it is to do nothing. Now I'm going to leave it to reduce the volume of other sounds by 80% because again it works fine for me, but I recommend that you try do nothing as an option and check whether that fixes your problem. It is also important to know that you have to restart your PC in order to apply these changes. Now the next thing we'll do is again go to our sound settings on the Windows, and then there you will find a button for troubleshoot. Just click on that button and then follow the steps for the Windows troubleshoot. Here what we'll do is select the correct microphone for what we want to troubleshoot, and after that just follow through the troubleshoot steps until it has been completed. After you have completed the troubleshooting, just restart your PC and check whether that fixes your problem. If that still doesn't fix your microphone problem, then I also recommend that you check your keyboard for a microphone key. Now on your keyboard, if there is a function key and it has a microphone drawn on it, then try pressing that function key, or if you're on a laptop, then the FN plus that function key, and check whether your microphone works again or not, because it is a dedicated key and it has nothing to do with all the previous activities that we have done. So for me, that key is the F4 key, so I press the F4 key or the FN plus F4 key, and it toggles my microphone on and off. So check whether this fixes your problem. Now if this also doesn't fix your problem, then I recommend that you update your drivers for your microphone. Now in order to do this, you have to go to Windows Search and then search for Device Manager. After you open up the Device Managers, just go to Audio Inputs and Outputs, and under that you should find your microphone which you want to work. Now just right click on that microphone and then go to its properties, and in its properties go to the drivers tab and then click on uninstall device. After you have uninstalled this device, just go to the action tab on your device manager and then click on scan for hardware changes, and then your microphone should turn back again in the device manager. After it turns back on, then again right click and then go to properties, and this time you go to the drivers tab and then click on update drivers, and then search automatically for the best drivers for this device. Now let this process finish, and if it says that you already have the best drivers for this device and if it still doesn't work on your PC, that is your microphone is still not working on your Windows 10 PC, then I recommend that you manually download your microphone drivers on Windows. Now this is very simple. If you're on a laptop, then just go to your laptop manufacturer's website and then search for audio drivers for your specific laptop model. For me, it is these drivers, and then just click on the download button and then follow through the instructions for downloading the drivers. And if you're using an external microphone which requires its own drivers, then you go to the manufacturer's website of that specific microphone and then download the audio drivers from their website. After you have downloaded and installed the audio drivers, then just restart your PC and check whether the new drivers fix your problem. Now if that still doesn't fix your problem, then we have two other ways to go. The first one is to again go to the Windows search and then search run, and then in run go to services.msc. After you open up the services tab, then just scroll down until you find an option for Windows Audio. After you find the option for Windows Audio, just right click on it and then go to its properties, and then make sure that the startup option for this service is turned to automatic. And after that, just close that window and then again right click on Windows Audio, and this time click on restart. After you restart this service, then just restart your PC and check whether that fixes your problem. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then the only solution I can recommend is resetting your PC. Now before we begin with that, I just want to say that if you're using your microphone for a Skype or a Zoom meeting and if it is not working, then it might be actually because of the software and not because of Windows 10. So make sure that in your telecommunication software, you have selected the right microphone for communication. If you're using this on Zoom, then you can also check out my video on how to fix the microphone not working problem on Zoom, and it contains solutions specific to Zoom as well as solutions from this video. Now, talking about resetting your Windows, it is the last option that you can do, and it will reinstall Windows on your device with completely default settings without actually deleting any files on your PC. And this is a good way to solve a lot of problems which may occur on Windows. Now, in order to reset, it is pretty simple. Just go to search and then search for reset this PC and then click on the reset this PC button. And then make sure that you do not delete any files or folders when you're resetting the PC. And this should fix any bugs or issues which might occur in Windows 10. So this was it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and this video helped you guys. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye.